Hi, today I would like to introduce a new feature called third-party storage support. With this feature, we can create the VM image, root disk, data disk to the external storage solution like the LVN, NFS, or root. We can see more detail with the following support matrix. At today's demo, I will show you the root. So we can see in this testing cluster, we have the storage class called root safe block. It's associated to the external safe cluster. And we will use this storage class to create the VN image, the VN, and do some checking like the live migration or the VN snapshot. Okay. Because it costs some time to create the VM image, so I pre-upload the one, and we can see the VM image and its storage class, and we can use this VM image to create the virtual machine. On 1.5, the image field will show the storage class name and its virtual size. The virtual size is very useful because we will know the minimum requirement of the disk size. So okay, so we need to set up the password. Okay, that's clear. Because the safe RBD supports the snapshot, so the creation might be very fast because it will use the snapshot capability to clone the root disk from the VM image. Okay, it's running. So now we can see the VM is running, and we can check it. Okay. Now, okay. Okay. So the VM is running. Before we take snapshot, and we can do some change on this VM. Okay. Okay. So first we can test the live migration because RBD is rewrite many variant, so it also supports the live migration. So from the node 1, migrate to the node 0. Okay, so yes, the VM is migrated from the node 1 to the node 0. Okay, so before we take the snapshot, we need to config the button snapshot class, or we cannot see the snapshot option. Okay, we need to set up the button snapshot class name. Okay. Okay, after saving, Okay, I see. We need to refresh this page. Okay, now we can see take the virtual machine's snapshot button and try to take the snapshot. Okay, it's successfully, and we try to restore to the new VM. Okay, restore new, restore VM name. Okay, so it's my also very fast because it's have the snapshot capability as I mentioned before. Yeah, it's running, and we can check about we can check about the text file before we take snapshot. Okay. Okay. So this file is we just created, and after restore, this file is here. Yep. So here is today's demo. Thank you.